Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this password. Is too simple and can be easily guessed. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me tell you that when you try to create your Apple ID and you have given your password and your password is too simple, maybe that's why it's not working for you. And if you want to reset your password and you have given your password and you're facing the error like this, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to go back and just simply you have to put the password. Okay guys, so just simply you have to put the password including the numbers, all the letters. Okay guys, and just simply you have to put some commas there. Okay guys, because your password is too simple, that's why it's not working. Okay guys, just simply you have to set the difficult password, and after that you can easily fix your problem. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.